Hey, it's Melissa from Special Ed Law Mom coming to you today with another video. So, interestingly enough, I just had a phone call with the Department of Justice attorney. The state of Utah has been found in violation of the Americans with Disabilities Act. That notification went out in June of this year. I will try to put a link down below to the article about it. But essentially, the state has failed with working with older teen teens with disabilities in the state with their transition programs. And then they have also failed in providing services to the disabled in general, as far as adult programs. And so I had attended a webinar last week about all of this, and they gave out their emails. I wrote them, said I had a few stories to share with them, and they set up a Zoom call today just with me to discuss that. Something that came out in all of that, while they can't necessarily take on individual issues, and they don't, they did let me know that it is important to file a complaint or complaints, depending on if you have multiple, at their website, which is ada.gov, ada.gov. And what that process looks like, I don't know. I haven't visited the website yet. And I'm not sure if it's similar to OCR, where they take forever to look at it, and then you might get a letter, you might not hear anything. But they let me know that there are different levels in the Department of Justice, including a level that works under IDEA violations. And they always welcome complaints that they can look into because they can't take action without a formal complaint. Now, as an advocate of 20 years, I did not know this. And I was thrilled to find out. And I wanted to make sure that I shared it with you. So, I had a list of things to tell her by topic, trying to keep it in general because they can't deal with individual things. I mean, I did mention this happened to us or that happened to us, but tried to keep it in general. This policy is in place in our state, and it precludes people from, making more than $2,000 a month if they want to receive any kind of help, that type of thing. And she suggested, she said, she said, I can't suggest, and I have to be careful what I say, but there is this website where you can go in and file complaints, and we're always very appreciative of those. And so I wanted to pass that on to you. There's a lot of work to be done, and I don't know if you're in Utah or where you are. Lots of work to be done, lots of failures that happen, lots of holding back. For people with disabilities, because we think that maybe they're not capable of something, or we don't give them the opportunity, but they are more than capable, and we need to do that. We need to help them be productive, and we need to be a voice, so that people like this attorney at the Department of Justice know what's going on and can step in and hopefully make changes. So I just wanted to share that with you. I know sometimes our voices seem so small, and thankfully, there were people before me that had filed complaints, knew about this, had filed complaints, got an investigation opened, and now our state is either going to have to settle and enter a settlement with specific terms, or they're going to be sued by the Department of Justice. So just truly pathetic. But I wanted to let you know there's another outlet to contact. I hope you do. And until next time, make it a great day. Thanks. Bye.